So now we know the basic dimension properties and the dimension palette and how the dimension works inside SolidWorks drawing. Let's talk about the very first dimension type, which is smart dimension, and how we can utilize this. Right, so to access the smart dimension, you can go to your annotation tab, and from here the very first option that you see is a smart dimension. Other than that, you can go to tools and go to dimensions, and from here you can select a smart. Once you do that, you can come to your drawing view and select 2 points like this and place your dimension. Once you do that, you can pretty much change your dimension properties. From here you can add tolerances. Let's go for a bilateral tolerance. Let's change it to 0.5 and 0.5 here. Also you can add parenthesis. You can do all the other different properties thing that we have already seen. So let's press the green tick for now, and rather than choosing 2 points, you can also select the edge. Let's go for a smart dimension, just select the edge and it will give you the same dimension, right? And we can also give angular dimension. So let's say I want to give an angle dimension between these two. Then either give it this way or the other way, right? You can also give the diameter of this hole. Let's give it like that. Also we can give distance from here to the center. All right, so pretty much anything and everything that you want to give dimension, you can utilize the smart dimension tool inside SolidWorks drawing, and it works pretty fine. Most of the time you'll be using this smart dimension tool whether you are designing the part or you are doing the drawing part. And once you have done that, you will get the view palette if you want to insert the usual stuff, or you can go to dimension properties and utilize all the different options that we have in SolidWorks drawing. I hope you guys like it. If you have any doubts regarding smart dimension, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.